Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my quick and easy asparagus stuffed chicken. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. Here I have my small chicken breast over parchment paper. We're just going to be flattening it out. So you want your chicken breast to be nice and thin. Okay, so once we have our chicken, we're just going to repeat it to the rest of our chicken breast. Once we have our chicken, now we're just going to season it. I'm going to be using salt, black pepper, chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. So just mix them together and now just sprinkle it over the chicken. And make sure that it coats both sides. Here I have my asparagus. It's nice and clean and I removed the bottoms. And I'm just going to grab my slice of cheese, wrap it around, place it over one piece of chicken breast, and begin to roll it. Make sure to cover the cheese. You want it to be like this. Once you have it, just secure it with toothpicks or a skewer. So we're just going to repeat the process with the rest of our chicken breast. Okay, and once we have our chicken, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our sauce. Okay, to the blender cup, add a handful of cilantro, 1 chile poblano, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of salsa verde, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, and we're going to season with chicken bouillon and black pepper. Now just blend it until smooth. Okay, and once we have our sauce, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once that's nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken. And we're just going to be searing 1 minute per side. After the minute, flip it over again. And after another minute, we're going to flip it over one last time. Alright, and once done, our chicken should be nice and seared all around. We're just going to remove it from the heat and continue repeating the process with the rest of our chicken. Alright, so once we have seared our chicken, we're just going to cover it and allow it to cook over medium heat for 8 minutes. Make sure to flip it halfway. Okay, so after 4 minutes, just going to flip our chicken over to another side, just so like that they don't burn. And now cover them again and allow them to finish cooking for another 4 minutes. After another 4 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. So now we're just going to cover it and set it to the side and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can heat up our sauce. Okay, so here over medium heat, we're just going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add the sauce. Mix it and bring it to a simmer. Alrighty, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now, just like that, we have our sauce so we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So we're going to begin by adding our sauce. Going to get our chicken skewer and remove it. Set it over the bit of sauce. Okay, you can drizzle the sauce over it, but just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. And I like to serve it with a side of white rice. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make. It's quick and honestly super flavorful. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This right here, it's seriously the best. The sauce, the cheese, the asparagus, the chicken, everything is so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious asparagus stuffed chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.